Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will explore advanced hunting in Microsoft 365 Defender. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. So advanced hunting is a query-based threat hunting tool that lets you explore up to 30 days of raw data. You can proactively inspect events in your network to locate threat indicators and entities. The flexible access to data enables unconstrained hunting for both known and potential threat. So what we can do is we can use the same threat hunting queries to build custom detection rules. These rules run automatically to check for and then respond to suspected breach activity, misconfigured machines, other findings. The advanced hunting capability supports queries that checks a broader data from Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Office 365, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps, Defender for Identity. What happens is that advanced hunting can be categorized into two distinct types. So if I go on hunting, advanced hunting, if you see, these are the set of queries that are already there. So if I go under alert info, timestamp, these are all the automated or predefined alerts. So if you want to collect event or activity data, it will populate tables about alerts, security events, routine assessments. Advanced hunting receives this data almost immediately after the sensors that collect them successfully transmit them to corresponding cloud services. And it also collects entity data, which populate tables with information about users and devices. The time zone that advanced hunting use is UTC zone. We can get schema information from the advanced hunting. The advanced hunting schema is made up of multiple tables that provide either event information or information about devices, alerts, identities, and other entity types. So what we can get through schema information is table description, all the columns in the table, what are the possible values in the action type, and the sample query. And we can also take a look at the custom detections. With custom detections, we can proactively monitor for and respond to various events and system states, including suspected breach activity and misconfigured endpoints. This is made possible by customizable detection rules that would automatically trigger alerts and response actions. We can also create the detection rules as well. If I want to create a detection rule, I will prepare the query. So I will go to the advanced hunting, select an existing query, or these are the suggested queries that I see. If I go create text passwords in the registry, downloads. So if I double click on here, it will load this query. Okay. This query is find machines that store the Windows password as clear text in the registry. Okay. If I run this query, I don't have such machine. That is why I'm not getting any results. But if I would get a result, I would to use a query for a custom detection rule, the query should return timestamp, device ID, and the report ID. Right, these are all the already built-in queries that I can use, and I can create a detection rule from here as well. So if I say, if I want to create a query in an editor or a builder, I can use it. If I cancel this, I come on detection rules. I want to do queries. It says save a query in this folder so you can quickly access it later. These are all schema related queries. If I go here under devices, see timestamp, device ID, device name, client version. If I double click on it, let me scroll. I'm sorry. Device info, I'll run query. So if you see the result here, and you see timestamp, you see device ID and the device name, you see the client version, you see the public IP and all the other information as well. And if I want to create a new detection rule, so with the query in the query editor, I can select create detection rule and specify the following alert details. I can mention detection name, frequency. So if I cancel this, I can select a query. This is how you can create the queries and use the advanced hunting for Microsoft 365 Defender. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.